to show you how to do some simple stamping, just like this. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you soon. You'll need a jelly stamper to start. You can get a cube or a round version, and it comes with a scraper as well. I'm going to use the cube today. The scraper I find is really good for maniology. It's very flexible. Also, you'll need a lint roller or some scotch tape to remove the excess. I'll show you how to use some liquid latex as well. I only use this around the cuticles if I do a full coverage stamp, but I'll show you how to use it today. Just be aware that it does not smell very good, so if you got a weak stomach, I wouldn't suggest this one. I just use it for the full coverage and try not to breathe it in. So you just apply a nice layer around the cuticles, and you'll see when it dries, it changes from this bright pink to like a darker pink. And that's it. Okay, I've also applied my top coat on my nails already. I find it's easier when I stamp. Here is some non-acetone with some wipes. And I'm going to use this stamp right there. I'm going to use my Born Pretty stamping polish. And you want to make sure to cover it completely with a lot of liquid, not a little bit. Don't wipe it before. Put a lot of liquid on top of it. And don't wipe more than once. And then use your scraper at a 45-degree angle and just swipe it down. Only one time, not more than once. Oops. Okay, so you take your stamper and you just go straight down. Or you can roll. Some people roll. I like to just go straight down. It picks up the image just fine. And you can use your sticky tape or your lint roller to remove the excess. I'm going to go above my nail and you can see where you want to place it. I'm going to put it right here, and then you just push it right down until completely. There you go. Try not to wait too long after applying it on the jelly stamper to put it on your nail, because it dries pretty quickly and then your image won't be picked up on your nail. There you go. So I'm just gonna wipe this off here with my non-acetone remover. Here we go. And I'm gonna try this again. I'll show you the other nail. Again, a thick layer on top, 45-degree angles, go down one time, that's it. And I'm gonna take my jelly stamper and go straight down. There we go, I got my image. I'll remove the excess right at the bottom. Here we go. And then once again, I'm gonna put it straight down onto my nail. If you see that it's not sticking, it's because you waited too long to apply it. So what I usually do is I'll just remove what's the image that's on the stamper onto my sticky tape. And there you have it. And just brush it right down. It's right there. I'm letting it dry a little bit. And here I can remove, so you can see it's darker pink. You just have to pull it right off. Right on the top. And it just peels right off. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Woohoo! I love it. Done. My cuticles are clean. I don't have anything around my skin. Easy cleanup. Now that I'm done, all I have to do is apply my top coat. You have to get a I use my gel top coat, but you have to get a smudge free top coat. Again, I think Maniology sells it. Here I just use my gel top coat. It does the same thing from REVEL nail. and I put a full coverage on top of it. But again, you have to make sure it's dry before doing this or you're gonna smudge it. And I do 2 layers, and that's about it. Oops, a little too much. Okay, that's it. That's my simple stamping. I cured for 60 seconds and now it's all done, all ready, nice and shiny. I decided to change it up and I put a matte top coat on after. I love how some simple stamping can change a mani completely. Thank you so much for watching. This is my final product. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.